So this particular shoe, man, I definitely wanted to get this review out sooner, but the work week has been hectic to say the least for me, so this is definitely delayed, but I'm definitely excited to finally open these up. I've been trying to save it for this video, so I'm glad I'm finally able to sit down and record this unboxing, man. So as you can see, we have a different Jordan graphic on the front of this box, man. We have the Awake New York and Jordan collab with the Nike Airship. Now this is a particular silhouette that I wanted, but it had to be the right colorway. You know, I only wanted it for like the history and the culture, but it had to be a colorway that I would actually wear. They released a lot of different colorways, and most of them were like, I probably wear them like once or twice. This colorway right here, this was the one. So you get Jordan Airship PE SP, Cell Black University Red, white Nike Air on both sides of the box lid. Is some, I don't know what kind of glossy print this is on the box, but it's something different. On the bottom in red, you get where I'm from. And this, if you've been following my channel for a minute, you know, this box is probably going to be a keeper. You know, I tried to minimize actual shoe boxes and throw them in these joints, but this particular box might stay in the collection. So you get the Jordan, the Air Jordan logo, and then you get coordinates. I'm assuming this is for the store, but not sure. We do get some stickers, which Staten Island, Queens, the Bronx, Manhattan, Brooklyn. So you get a lot of stickers, which is dope. If you have kids or if you like to decorate certain stuff, that's cool. You get the Airship pamphlet. So it shows you, gives you all like the specs and everything. So they actually show the entire shoe in here too. Okay, that's cool. What if I wanted my first look at a shoe to be the unboxing? Now I already seen it in the pack, but I probably won't show the whole thing, but I'll show a couple pages probably. So on the paper, you get the Awake and the Wild. This is a dope collab, man. Like everything is on point. So I guess you get like the street grid layout of New York City or wherever the area of the store is. So you get that on both sides of the paper. And these are double wrapped, it looks like. Oh, it's already poking up. Well, there's something else at the bottom of the box too. There's a lot of stuff with this shoe, man. For the price point, $150, they gave you a lot of stuff, man. So shout out to Awake and Jordan brand with this one, man. Woo! I know this is not everybody's cup of tea, but these are fire. These are definitely fire. So what is at the bottom of my box? Wow. So I had a Jordan hang tag. I guess whoever, you know, packed the joint was hating on me. God bless you. So we have the Jumpman hang tag Jumpman right here. Yeah, I think this box is definitely going to be a keeper. I'll go ahead and get everything situated. Put that right there. Hopefully that's in the view of the camera. Boom. The Nike or Jordan Airship PE. So you get the extra set of red laces. They come with like this sail or coconut, I guess, white. It's Cell Black University Red. So the Cell obviously is the midsole, and the midsole definitely reminds me of the Nigel Sylvester Jordan collab. Feels like it's pre-aged, but like worn, beat up type joint. Not just yellow. You have like scuffs and like you've been doing all types of stuff in the shoe. Then you get like the aged glue marks. Not sure if that was like a design element or it was just a flaw that just worked. But with the outsole being dirty, beat up, worn, scuffed, you know, the aged glue stains, you know, it goes with the theme. The outsole, you get like a marble. It's a gum marble outsole. Like, I didn't think you could get gum and marble on the outsole, but they definitely did it. That is dope. You get the embroidered A, you know, for Awake right there as well on the medial side. You get some plush tumbled leather on the upper. Now this is definitely soft. This is that Wheezy and Baby leather, so soft right here. Yeah. So they didn't skimp out on the quality, at least with the leather. Your tongue, you get like a pre-aged peach kind of tongue. I mean, it's cool. It goes with the theme, with the age look or whatever. Nothing too crazy. You get the black Nike Air on your tongue tag, and then you get Awake in white and red on the back. My personal favorite part of this shoe is this red snake skin, that reptile. That's really, the red really drawing me to the shoe. You know, I seen that there was like a red and a blue. I thought they were gonna be like a mixed match pair, which I wasn't that big of a fan of. But I'm glad that they dropped the red pair for both joints. But yeah, that red snake skin, crazy. You get the Awake and the Y on the back of this one, and you get Nike Air on the back of the left. So they did switch it up a little bit. Oh, okay, you get the size printed and the sock liner as well in all red. Anything on the insole. You just get a red insole with the black Nike Air, nothing crazy there. No other hidden details that I can see. You do get that silver swoosh with the red felt outline, which is a dope touch. You get more snakeskin on the back of the heel as well. And you know, this shoe, man, is technically, according to, you know, historians, the actual shoe that was banned by the NBA, the black and red version. It wasn't the Jordan 1, it was the Airship. But, you know, so for that reason, I needed at least one pair in my collection, just for that history. But man, these are definitely fire in person. Like, shout out to y'all for sleeping, because this was an easy cop. I got these off Sneaker Politics. I think they dropped early, whenever the day they released, so I was able to get them like ahead, like before the actual 10 o'clock release day. I think it was like 9:30 or something, 9 or 9:30, somewhere crazy like that. But yeah, these are tough, man. I'm definitely excited to have these. Do y'all like the Airships? Do you have any pairs? Let me know down in the comments below. And I think this might be the best one to date. I know the corporate collab was dope, but that was a teal blue all over joint. I know they had a few crazy denim pairs, and they had like a camo pair, which, you know, I'm a fan of camo, but that shoe, it didn't do it for me. But these right here, though, these are crazy. That's gonna do it for this one. Yeah, this is one of those. Definitely excited to have these. Can't wait to wear them, because like they're pre-beat up already. So as long as you keep the upper clean, man, you're good. These are gonna age beautifully, because at some point this leather, this white upper is gonna, you know, get a little sellish, get a little aged. And it's probably gonna, you know, match a little bit better with this midsole. They knew what they were doing. Like, this is definitely one of those shoes. In 20 years, they're still gonna be dope, because the sole is pre-aged. So when the upper matches, it's still gonna be dope. Your tongue is pre-aged. Yeah, this Jordan brand, they definitely did it right with this. Shout out to Awake NY and Jordan brand for this Airship. You need more collabs like this, man. Dope. Appreciate y'all for watching.